Good morning, children. A warm welcome to the IT class. In the last session, you all learned about customizing windows, background, colors, and fonts. In this session, we will be studying about taskbar, lock screen, start menu, and themes. Taskbar. A taskbar is an element of a graphical user interface which has various purposes. It typically shows which programs are currently running on the computer. Clicking these icons allows the user to easily switch between programs or windows, with currently active program or window usually appearing differently from the rest. Click on taskbar in the left column of your personalization settings. When the lock taskbar button is on, you will be able to view your taskbar even while working on other apps or browsers. The badges highlight any activity or update in your apps. Example, if an alarm is active, a badge will appear on your taskbar. The default taskbar position is at the bottom of your screen and it can be moved to any edge of your screen. Lock screen. In general, a lock screen is an interface on a computer, smartphone, or tablet that appears upon startup. Access to all of the device's applications are limited when it is locked, preventing unwanted users from accessing the data of the devices. Lock screen. Click on lock screen in the left column of your personalization settings. The Windows Spotlight feature automatically downloads and updates the lock screen images. It has a collection of historical landmarks and well-known locations from around the world. You can also choose a particular image or a slideshow of your own photos similar to background customization. Choosing particular apps allows you to view important updates without having to unlock your computer. Be cautious to do so only on private computers. General settings of the lock screen may be changed here. Start menu. The Start menu is a graphical user interface element used in Microsoft Windows since Windows 95 and in some other operating systems. It shows the full list of available applications. Click on Start in the left column of your personalization settings. You will be able to see live tiles of chosen applications. You will see the full list of available applications. The icons that appear serve as shortcuts to the selected folders. Themes. A theme is usually a set of shapes and colors for the graphical control elements, the window decoration and the window. Click on Themes in the left column of your personalization settings. You can choose a particular combination of background image, color, font and sounds by clicking on the respective buttons. Click on the Save Theme button to use the theme again in future. You can also use any of the default themes available. Sometimes you may accidentally turn your display screen upside down. To get back to the normal view, just press Ctrl plus Alt plus arrow. Applications in Windows 10. Windows 10 comprises several useful applications to perform various tasks. Browse the internet, get audio and video entertainment, create documents and presentations, edit photos, play games, etc. While some apps are installed by default and are critical to the OS, apps can also be downloaded or purchased online from Microsoft Store. This provides flexibility to users in customizing the system to their needs. Installing new applications. Any number of new apps can be installed on the computer from Microsoft Store. You can search for apps by entering their names or keywords in the search box provided on the top right of the window. Note that not all apps are free. Be cautious of spurious apps that may affect the performance of your OS. Some popular default apps on Windows 10 are listed below. Photos. This app lets the user view, edit and save photos. You can also make movies, create albums and add effects to your camera photos using filters and other editing tools. Mail and calendar. This app lets the user keep all contacts from various accounts or device in one place, sync emails and keep a note of calendar events and reminders easily. Paint 3D. This app allows the user to draw and create beautiful illustrations and add various effects including 3D. It provides a wide range of colors, brushes and objects to choose from. Office. The Office suite of applications can be used to create documents, presentation, etc., which may be useful in project work. Calculator. This tool helps the user solve a wide range of mathematical operations easily and quickly. Edge. This web browser allows the user to access online information, see online videos, use social media, websites, etc.